Hi everyone, today in this video we will learn how to add order list in Tailwind CSS. So first we should be add just structure URL. So just I am adding in HTML. So just copy paste HTML. Can you see here is a URL. Now we should one class name is list class available in the Tailwind CSS. And then now I need to spacing PL spacing. You can see here is showing a list, this list. Now next is a order list. Can you see here is now next is we can see is order list. So now we should add here one another class list decimal. It will be showing numbering 1 2 3. You can see here in the screen. Now let's move the third. If you want to suppose have already list, so how to remove the list in Tailwind CSS. So here can you see here have already list is showing. So add one class list none. Thank you watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you watching this video.